how to recover voice memos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally delete your voice memo and want to recover it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your voice memo app, and then on the top left, you'll see arrow like icon. Tap on it, and there you'll see the recently deleted section. Tap on it, and you can see that the voice memo that you have deleted is saved here. So, what you can do is long press on it, and then you will see the recover option. So tap on recover and then tap on recover recording. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.